Hello, my name is Texas Keel. I'm at Ripon Elementary School at Ripon Unified School District, and Mr. Peace did a phenomenal job impacting our school. Our kids from kindergarten, TK actually, transitional kindergarten to 12th grade were impacted and touched. They all understood what kindness is all about and the importance of it. My colleagues here who had done a phenomenal job in our response to intervention program were also touched. They had tears throughout, so we just wanted to make sure that provide Mr. Peace, at your assembly will help the kids and impact them, and it will touch their lives for a long time, forever. So kindness goes a long way.
My name is Angelica Evans, and I think what Mr. P did today was amazing for all the kids. I mean, really, it starts, at a very, very young age. And so I think, again, what you did was awesome, and I think these kids will carry that. Hopefully they'll carry it on and follow through with kindness. And I think it's something that we really, really need, especially, during these times. So awesome job. Awesome.